Please let there be a little baby llama in here, because that would be a lot of fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or actually should I say I'm welcoming myself back to my channel. I can't even get the words out because I was a level of sick that I don't actually wish on my worst enemy. Not going to talk about now, but I'm just glad to be alive and to be back filming, because missed you guys, missed this. Again, you know this is my solace. Anyway, I have my Ipsy box, which I got... I don't know when I got it, but I do know that it is for, this is in February, this is the end of March, this is March 2024. Oh, no, this is the Boxycharm. I think I will do that every single month for as long as I have my channel, because, you know, this is my Boxycharm, which means you're getting 5 products, and you get to choose two of them or 3 of them. I'm telling you, my friends, my brain has been fried, put back, etc. I'm just excited. I love getting new stuff and getting to have fun and play and explore everything. So, let's see. So, yeah, as I said, Boxycharm, and the theme this month is Rewrite the Rules. Of course, it's going to be the same when I open up my regular glam bag. Oh, okay. This is from Laneige. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Somehow, in a drunken stupor, maybe, I'm not really sure, I must have done an add-on, because this is the Laneige Besties set. It has 5 products in it. Maybe they chose this for me. Maybe, I don't know. Well, cute. Look at the little square bottle. No, that's a tub. This is definitely not a bottle, and I can't tell. Oh, this is the Water Bank Blue. How is anybody supposed to read that? Seriously? Hyaluronic Cream Moisture. Oh, it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I shouldn't, but I really, really like the packaging. 2 adorables. Yeah, I did say that. And this is the, this is the water sleeping mask. No, yeah, Laneige water sleeping mask. Oh, is this, no, not the, I don't think this is the one for the lips. I think it is for the face. We're going to open this one and find out. My nose still doesn't work. Tell it's not the lip sleeping mask. It has some kind of scent. I don't know. And please ignore the multitude of scratches. Oh my goodness. On my hands. I have the baby cats to thank for that one. Okay, moving on. This is the lip sleeping mask. But look at how tiny she is. You can see the recessed bottom. How much are we getting in here? This is even smaller than a typical sample. Typical samples are about 1.17 ounces. This is 0.1 ounce. So yeah, an extremely small amount, but I love these. I have several of them, and I just finished up a couple. Okay, and there's 2 more products left in here. This is a nice size tube, and this is the... oh, the cleansing foam. Okay, that's why they're giving you a bit of a larger one, because the cleansing stuff is always cheaper, at least in my experience. I've never tried this, though. The Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic, it goes with this, and I do love a foaming cleanser. This is probably sealed. Yes, it is. There is one more product in here. These are mostly all of the Water Bank stuff. And, okay, the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. So these 2 will go nicely together at night. I can use this. I'm always going to use the mask. And then you take it off. You take the whole day off with the cleanser. I don't know if I chose this, etc. Either way, I like it a lot. The next thing is from TYS. It is the Lip Butter Jelly Lip Gloss. The TYS Limp... Even when I'm getting over being sick, you know that I was going to come out with one of those. The Lip plumper. I actually bought another one a while back because it is one of my favorites. I have not tried their lip butter. Believe me, right now, I could absolutely use it. It says it has shea butter. Oh my goodness, how freaking cute is that? That's adorable. I love the color. Let's see if it smells. I think it has, I smell something sweet coming through, so that's a good sign. Let me take this off so that I can try it on properly. Do you realize what I did, my friends? My ring light's off. Well, isn't that 1,000 times better? As I said, I'm out of practice. Anyway, what I was going to say was, I've heard on Reddit, I haven't heard any in my comments, but the Reddit users say that they hate when YouTubers will apply lipstick or lip glosses on top of something they already have with a lip liner, and that they want to see just how it looks all on its own, and I tend to agree with that. Great applicator. It feels amazing. And literally, I think there's just the slightest hint of color. I'm trying to hide my boo-boo because I know it'll bother some people, but I don't know if you can see. It's so subtle, I don't think that you'll notice anything, but it's extremely comfortable and I like it. The next thing is Ever and Ever Eden, or Ever and Eden, New York, and it is a sunscreen. I do need another. I have one sunscreen that I hate underneath my makeup, so I'm going to just use that for my body. But this is an SPF Premium Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. Zinc. It has safflower and sunflower seed oil. SPF 50 is really the max that I will wear, in my opinion, and don't take my opinion seriously because I'm not an expert, but I think that's all you need, or at least what I need. Absolutely love the bottle. This is cute. I mean, if you went to the beach or anything like that, you could probably clip this on. This is a silicone material, and it's a squeezy bottle, and I think this will provide just a little bit of grip if you have stuff on your hands. How cute the way it comes out. I don't think it's pure white. It almost has a pinky hue. It's not too thick, and it is absorbing quite well. Excited to have another. Cannot wait to try it underneath my makeup. This is from Ulla Henriksen, and it is their Transform Smooth Texture. No, that's not the name. This is the Dewtopia 20% Acid Night Treatment. I need something to replace my favorite lotion for my hyperpigmentation or dark spots that they no longer make, so I'm hoping that this may, you know, be a good substitute. This one I didn't know. It's Betula alba extract. That is birch juice. According to what I read, they use the sap. Supposedly, it adds to hydration, and it's an antioxidant. And that is the third ingredient. Okay, this does have a good concentration. The glycolic is like 5th, and the lactic acid is 7th or 8th. That is a real... Oh my God, will you leave me alone? That is a really good concentration and position for them. So this is going to be on the stronger side, which I don't mind because my skin is tolerant. I do like that it is a pump, and I will not tap on it, but this is a glass bottle, and I like the feel of it. I like the frosted glass. It's just aesthetically pleasing. Okay, this has to be a sample that I chose. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. Even though it's sealed, I can smell the watermelon through it. This is from Misho Beauty. I know that we've tried products from them before. Don't ask me what. And it is a lipstick, and it is in... Oh, is that llama? It's a llama. Please let there be a little baby llama in here, because that would be a lot of fun. Just a very... Oh, I was going to say super lightweight, but it's not that lightweight. It's typical. Sleek black packaging with Misha just screen printed on there. Oh, I love the bullet shape. That's really pretty. Oh, I can even smell this with my nose. What else am I going to smell it with? It has a very sweet cake-like smell, which is what I love. I know, shut up, Leann. Okay, I really enjoy the bullet shape because it adheres to your lips nicely. It is very smooth, easy to go on. Not a super opaque color, and I actually like that for myself. From Earth Harbor. It's a brand that I've only heard of from subscription boxes. I do like their products. They have very nice ingredients. They mostly have like oils, body oil, which I'm not the hugest fan of oil because a lot of them don't go well on top of my daytime skin routine, which bothers me. So I'll usually use them at night. Oils should be amazing for myself. Anyway, this says Lunar Rain, and it's a phyto resurfacing night serum. Well, I should have just shut up and read the package because that's a product that I will definitely use. I really enjoy serums. Just a white, milky glass bottle with the dropper. It is very liquidy. Absorbs very nicely. Let's take a look. It has some really nice extracts like pineapple and papaya and all these really nice things which are wonderful as exfoliants. So I'm going to enjoy using this. And the last thing in here is a palette, and it's from Wander Beauty, and it's the Trailblazer palette. I don't have this one. I'm sure, or I'm wondering if this one in particular is new. I like their pink packaging. Just plain matte, pretty pink color. And the Wander Beauty is not really raised, it's just screen printed. Oh, that is not what I expected. And that's very pretty. I'm very surprised. Again, not at all what I suspected. Oh, and they're all names. You have Jen is a bone color. The Elizabeth is a chocolate brown. The Mandy is more of a rust-colored brown. And then look at this really cool green called Noreen, and that's also a matte, and the rest are all shimmers. Now, I am liking the way they have laid this out. Look how they have the two greens laid up together. I'm going to try to swatch them somewhere where it's not going to be offensive to you guys, maybe on my hand. The mattes feel really soft. Jen, and this is Lindsay P. I don't know what the P stands for. I'm hoping this is going to work. Okay, really crappy swatches. The only one you can see barely is the Jen P, and that looks pretty. I don't know the opacity because it's really hard to tell on your palm and even on the back of my hand. Let's see if I can do... Yeah, that bone color you're just not going to be able to see. I mean, it's like right there, but let's do Maddie and Elizabeth. The brown is a little bit drier, but I expected that. I'm going to put the dark, yeah, there we go, it hides it. Oh, wow, this one went on quite opaquely. Even that dark chocolate brown, it's not streaky at all, and the metallic looks like a more substantial metallic rather than this one which looks a little bit like a topper. Now Mandy and Mackenzie. And this pretty shiny pink one is Mandy. It's, I won't say chunky, it just has a different feel than this metallic did. Top one is Dahlia, and the bottom one is Alex, the YX. And I said this wrong. Divya? D-I-V-Y-A. Goodness, this one again has that interesting texture, and as I said, no, Alex has that same, I was going to say, has that other interesting texture. They both went on very nicely. Noreen is dry, but as you rub your finger into it, it becomes much more soft. And then Lindsay E is that metallic. Okay, those two greens are going to be an amazing combination. I can't wait to try those, especially with that more reddish brown plus the chocolate brown. So the Earth Harbor Lunar Rain Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. Oh, they say it's a night serum, but I think when I read the directions, it didn't specify. As long as you wear sunscreen on top of things, I think you should be fine. This is $49 for 30 mils. So again, they picked that for me. They also picked the Wander Beauty Trailblazer palette. This is $42 and you are getting 7.5 grams total in the palette. I picked the sunscreen and I'm extremely glad that I did. I thought I remembered a little bit of me doing so. Again, this is the Ever Eden SPF 50 Mineral Sunscreen. And this is $29. If I like it, it's absolutely something that I will buy again. You're getting 60 mils in here. Love the packaging. It's really unique. And even though that shouldn't make a difference, I do like it. I also picked the Misho Beauty lipstick in, I thought this was Llama. It's L-I-A, Liama? L-I-A-M-A. No, L-I-A-M-A. I'm normally pretty good at figuring things out. This is $25, which is a lot. Oh, it's a Florida-based indie brand. I do like supporting indie brands. Guess what? I also picked the lip butter in jelly. Oh, it's not a lip jelly. It's a lip butter and jelly is the color. Okay. This is 20 bucks. I really liked the way it felt. Unfortunately, I didn't leave it on long enough to it lasted or anything like that, but I can always report back because I go through those types of things extremely quickly. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Did I say hold the bone? Yeah, I did. I had an add-on of the Kosas Revealer Concealer in 4N because I really wanted to try that. I didn't get that. I did get the add-on of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA, and the Beauty Boost was the Ulla Henriksen, which is the $60 value. The Dewtopia 20%. Okay, so I guess they substituted this for the Kosas Revealer Concealer. Honestly, I'm not upset by that because this is quite the value. See, as I said, I didn't remember this, so I'm not going to complain. They did a nice substitution, and if I want to try the Kosas concealer, I can buy it. Of course, you know that I will add up everything once I get into editing. What do I think about my overall box? I'm very happy. You know, the value is there monetarily, but again, if the products are not useful to me or whatever you receive, then it doesn't make sense, so it is a waste of money. I don't think I have a waste of money whatsoever. I'm going to enjoy using everything that I received. I really like this substitution. There are some products that I haven't tried. So for me, my value is definitely there. I like the variety. I like the items I picked, and I liked what they picked for me. So I'm a very happy little kitten this month. If you get this box, I would love to know what you get, and let me know if you've tried like any of these products. I'd be very curious. If anyone received this and you've already tried it, I would love to know your thoughts on it. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. You do have choices of who you watch and what you watch and for how long, and the fact that you choose to spend your time with me really means a lot. I love you guys. I missed you guys, and I'm so happy to be back, almost back to normal. You can see my voice is not quite there yet, but I'm getting there. I appreciate your love, your support. I'm going to be quiet now because I can just ramble on forever. You guys are amazing, and I will see you soon in my next video. Much love, everybody. Bye.